Your voice, your opinion, your community. Fact TV, free speech, protected.
The following is independently produced programming. The views and opinions expressed are those of the producers and do not reflect the views and opinions of Falls Area Community Television, our staff, or board of directors.
Yeah. Hello. My name is Ryan Bourke. It's 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 good to be back on the show, and today on the topic I'm going to talk about all kinds of birds, like this blue jays, red robins, seagulls, flamingos, blackbirds, whitebirds. I think I did say seagulls too. Yeah, the seagulls live on the beach. Okay, and mostly like there's all kinds of different birds that out there. It's like blue jays, red robins, blackbirds. That's called crows. And there's also like at night, like an owl that come at night. And as you see, like birds are pretty fast creatures, okay? And then also like bird seeds, and yeah, it's like they say, like in the springtime, birds come back from the south, way down south, because they like the warm weather, and they come for the summer, half of the fall. That's called autumn. It's called, and those birds like fly all around, and they love to be in the bird's nest, like laying eggs, laying birds. Yep. So, that's that. I just love to hear birds in the morning, in the afternoon, most likely. And now I'm gonna talk about the weather forecast for the Monadnock region. It's been a rainy week. We had a downpour yesterday, and it poured like buckets out there in Ward 9. I was kind of yesterday, there was an accident on Ward 9 yesterday was just not a good friend, I can say. Um, so yeah, I I'm just glad that I'm doing my show again. I'm glad I'm back, and I hope to have guests for my show near the future time. And well said. And also, like, what we can talk about too is like, well, for example, um, Memorial Day is coming, and now it's like not to celebrate the 250 years of America. Yeah. So that would be a very, very interesting thing to see. Like, like Memorial Day parade, a Memorial Day on TV, of course. And also, on top of that, they're gonna have Alan Jackson on that Memorial Day thing on PBS. This Memorial Day. So yeah, that should be very interesting. It's mostly like when I watch the Memorial Day, it's mostly about like being in the war in the Navy, like what I was to be like in World War One and World War Two. World War One, World War Two. It's just crazy. Let me tell you that. So on top of that, so yeah, I I like this community, Keene, New Hampshire, and I get to do lots of stuff, like do my show. Also, when it's on YouTube, everyone can see it, just about, you know. So make sure you tune in for that. And it's fun to do a show. It's good for the community because people can watch it. And down here in Keene, we do lots of stuff, you know, like all kinds of stuff to do in Keene, like walking on a nice sunny day in the park and all that. And they say that doing it is pretty good exercising. It's like this morning. I walked the track at the YMCA and stuff, and it's pretty good exercise, and it's good for the body. It's good for the legs, and it's healthy, for your body. It's like all that. And just a quick reminder, it's like when I first did my TV program, as they call it, a TV show, whatever you want to call it, I used to sing one song or two songs. Okay. And I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Like California Dreamin'. Of course, you all know that. And I want to do it. I want to do this for all my friends out there, friends, neighbors, people, and my brother, of course. And it goes. See if I can remember this. It goes like this. It goes. Really? Some people is like afraid to sing on TV, but it's okay. And it goes like this. Hit it. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming, a Saturday day, stuck into a toast, I passed along the way. I got down on my knees and pretend to pray. You know the person wants to go, he knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming, a Saturday day. All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I've been safe and warm if I was in LA. If I didn't tell, she knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming, a Saturday day, a Saturday day, a Saturday day, a Saturday day. Thank you. You know, it takes a lot of faith to sing in front of a camera. It's like, I can't understand like doing it for like karaoke. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. Karaoke, you know that. And that's how you practice, you know? Like, we be doing that. Like, we sing every song that we could sing. Like, we did a song by Elton John, the Beach Boys, Chicago, Backstreet Boys, anything like that. And it was fun. And it makes the best of it to be with friends and sing along and enjoying the company, as they call it, like the communication. So now I want to talk about the weather forecast. It's gonna be a cloudy day today, what it is, highs in the 50s, and it should be cleaning up by tomorrow into the 60s, and be sunny here in Monadnock, Wheaton, but it's gonna get better. It's gonna be like in the 70s on Sunday, sunny. Monday and Tuesday, it's gonna be in the 80s. Like it's gonna be like 84, 85. And Tuesday it's gonna be like 87 and sunny. And here in the Monadnock Wheaton. Okay, so that's my weather forecast for the Mananak weekend. And so yeah, and I hope that my friends can see this on. It's going on YouTube, Facebook, yeah, and it's gonna be on TV also. If anybody wants to see it then, but mostly on YouTube. That way, people can watch it. You know, like and see what's going on. Okay, and yeah, and I just love doing my a TV show. It makes it fun. And you know, when I first did my show way back when 2011, I kind of screwed up, and, that's okay too, because we all screw up here and there, you know, and and um and that's okay too. It's like yeah, and I just love doing this show for the community and TV. It's like I really had a fun time being on my brother's show, and I want to thank him for inviting me on his show, and I watch his shows on when it comes up on YouTube when he does it on Tuesdays, and my brother does. I want to put this out to him. He does a very nice job with his shows, and I appreciate it. Thank you. You know, it's good to say good things like that. To appreciate the good job they do and good work they do. You know, that I get it. So, I I just love doing the show and all that, and also like talk about the dandelions outside is like coming up because it's the springtime now, and it's almost the summer when most people go swimming. Okay, and that, and some people don't, and that's okay too. And going for walks outside is good too, you know. And it's like this. It's like what do you like to do, kind of thing, you know. And all that, and also like crafts like to do. I did like coloring and like in the coloring book and all that, and that. And so yeah, I also like next week we can talk a little more about Memorial Day and what's about per se, and what happens on Memorial Day, and all that. So, um, on top of that, I just love doing my show. And like I say, that I'm trying to get guests for my show sometime down the road. Okay? And I just want to say thank you for watching my other shows that I did almost 3 years ago. Two or three, yeah, 3 years ago. Like when I had Mike Solsi on my show, and he talked about the Special Olympics and how he won that, and he was talking about it like they was doing like basketball at the time, and he came on and he talked about it, and he told all the people out there who's watching all about it and how it got started. And it's good to hear stuff like that, because it's good information that people need to know, and all that. So, well, say. So that's that. And I just love doing my show, and we have 5 minutes left. So I'm just going to say I'm glad that I'm back on Fridays and 1, and I've been doing my show again, which is very, very good. And what I will say, okay, it's like when somebody sings, like what I did today, I sing a song on my show. On my show, I took a lot of practice to do that. Yeah, a lot. And it doesn't just take one day. It takes like more practice to do it. It's like being in the movies, being on the TV show. It takes a lot of practice to know the lines, what you're gonna say on the show, on the movies. Okay, and like you have to do it like all day, like practice almost all day and every day. And yeah, so that's why it's good to come up with ideas to say what you're going to say on the show, like what I'm doing now. Okay, and like some people is like afraid to be on TV, camera shy, I should say. And yeah, and that's okay. And I just want to say that anybody out there that is happy to watch my show and make it really interesting and really good. It's like when I talked about, let me quickly say this, okay? When I talked about E.T. in Jumanji on my show back in, I don't know, 2023, it went up to 500 viewers. Imagine that, 500 viewers. And I just want to quickly say that, and I want to put it out to this, that Susan McNeil did a very nice job in doing the community and doing Superstar and Karaoke Idol. And I want to say, good job. You did a very good job with that, and you got me missed. Thank you. And I just want to quickly say, thank you for enjoying this wonderful show, and have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you all next week, the same time, same station. Have a wonderful weekend, and see you next week. Thank you. Bye.